Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video we're going to discuss and resolve this issue of Windows Store error where Windows Store not working after restart. So if you have reset your PC and your Windows Store is not working, then you have to follow a few steps which were like this. First of all, you have to run the ws reset. For that you have to type on the search bar, you have to type WSRESET reset. Once the reset will open, you have to wait till the Windows will repair itself. Once the repair would take place, you have to type exit and you have to restart your PC and see that your problem has been irrigated or repaired or fixed or not. If this method doesn't work, then we have to skip towards the next method, which was like this. You have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you have to type PowerShell. Now you have to run the PowerShell as an administrator. For that you have to right click on this. Afterward you have to click then you have to click on run as administrator. Now you have to click on yes to give access. Now you have to copy a text from the description box. I have given a text over there. You just need to copy those things. For that you have to copy from the description. Now you have to paste it on the PowerShell by clicking on the taskbar. Right click on the taskbar, then click on edit, then click on paste. That's it. Afterward you have to type exit. Now you have to restart your PC and see that your problem has been irrigated or not. So these were the two methods I have shown you. You just have to carefully follow the method. If this video helped you out, then please give a like button to this video and even to subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. Or if you still resist the problem, then you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Matram.